Time for super engaging session. On the stage will be two of India's biggest content creators. But first on stage, moderator of the Fireside Chat, Sudeep Lahiri, VP Content and Strategies, One Digital Entertainment. Sudeep Lahiri. He will hold the fort to discuss the topic likes, camera, action, life of an influencer. And now on stage, the super talented and amazingly popular Prajakta Kohli. Joining her, Ashish Chanchlani. Over to you, Sudeep. Oh. Over to you. Hi.
Check. Everyone settled? All set? How's it going, everyone? That was quite an explosive panel before this. Good job, Nirmika.
I'm imagining memes out of it coming already.
Already memes are out. Awesome. I have two people here who don't need much of an introduction when we talk about the digital world. Sorry?
I think go
Okay.
on. I like
I've had the pleasure of working with both of them pretty closely. It's been a great experience. What's cool about these guys is that they have put two suburbs of Bombay, or rather outside Bombay, on the map. So Ulhasnagar is now synonymous with Ashish Chanchlani, and Thane is synonymous with Prajakta. Did you guys know about this?
I'm gonna call my. Can you hear me?
No.
I'm gonna call my channel mostly Thin. In a while. How much? See, if my mic was working, my joke would be funnier.
Right. Thank you for the pity laughs.
You got it.
Okay, tough audience, tough audience. Ashish, do you have any jokes?
Nah.
Okay, do you guys know that Ashish met the entire Avengers crew for the last film that came out? He apparently has lots of stories that he's not spoken about, and he told me not to talk about them. So Ashish, what have you not told people yet?
So first of all, a My Name Is Khan moment happened with me. So पिक्चर का प्रीमियर था, मैं बाथरूम गया, ठीक है, एंड वापस आया मैं, तो बंदा ऐसे चेक कर रहा है मेरे को, उसको लगा मैं पायरेसी करने आया हूँ इंडिया से एवेंजर्स एंड गेम की, पूरा उसने टॉर्च लेके पूरा मैं पैंट नीचे, मेरे को मैं बहुत एम्बेरस हो गया, बट उसने कुछ देखा ऐसे मेरे जेब में था, उसको लगा मोबाइल है, मैं पावर चार्जर लेके घूम रहा था कि इन केस वहाँ पे कैमरा से शूट करूँगा, ठीक है, चलो अंदर गए, अंदर मैं एक बंदे से टकराया, मेरे को 2 बॉडीगार्ड ने पकड़ा, बंदा था केविन हार्ट जा रहा था, मैं केविन हार्ट से टकराया, फिर मैं आगे गया, कैंडी खा रहे थे मैट डेमन, मैंने वहाँ से कैंडी लिया, फिर मैं पॉपकॉर्न लेने गया, मेरे बाजू में एक ब्लू सूट में एक बंदा, एकदम कट दाढ़ी, मैंने देखा इट वॉज क्रिस एवांस, कैप्टन अमेरिका, ही वॉज हैविंग अ पॉपकॉर्न राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी, एंड देन मैं मूवी देखने गया, मेरे आगे आयरन मैन 1, ब्लैक पैंथर, डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज, एज ऑफ अल्ट्रॉन, एवेंजर्स, सारे डायरेक्टर्स लाइन से बैठे हुए थे. तो कैन यू इमेजिन, मैं मेरी लाइफ में इनको बस थिएटर में देखा है, एंड आई सॉ देम देयर एंड इट वॉज एन एब्सोल्युटली ब्रेथ टेकिंग मोमेंट. It was a once in a lifetime event.
That's awesome. I feel just like that when I go to Hamleys, the toy store, because no one ever bought anything for me there. So I just go and nice. Prajakta is known as the most influential female digital celebrity of India. And so my first question goes out to her. Why are social media or digital influencers so influential?
Oh, thank you. You're not looking.
He's not looking.
Thanks. This one works. Why are social media influencers influential? I feel like because we are not talking at people. I think that is one thing that has changed from all the conversations that used to happen before. We don't come from a place of कि हमें पता है क्या करना है तो हम तुमको बताएंगे, follow us. It's not like that. It's more of ki, hey, why don't we try this together? It's more inclusive. It's more conversational. I think that has changed. And we are reaching out to finer demographics, if that makes sense, where we know exactly हमारी audience कौन है, किस एज में है, किस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती है, किस तरह का कंटेंट कंज्यूम करती है, उनके फ्रेंड्स कैसे हैं, उनका लाइफस्टाइल कैसा है. आई थिंक इट ब्रेक्स डाउन टू दीज माइन्यूट factors, which is why every thing that we deliver reaches more accurately. I think that is what makes social
मतलब
media influencers.
I personally feel कि we are very personal. They feel very personal with us. They feel closer to us. And it's not like as Prajakta said कि हमको follow करो, ये हमारा trend है. We make content that they love. We make content for them so that they could relate to it. I personally feel nowhere and anywhere कोई भी entertainment form देख लो जहाँ पे the relatability factor is much more than us. That is where, you know, we succeed. You know, connecting them, showing day-to-day lives of common people or students or, you know, school students, college students through our videos. That is, I think, where we succeed.
And what would you say is the kind of impact that you guys have with the content? So for example, fair, you guys create relatable content. You guys don't force feed ideas into people. You're showing them what they do.
Although asking everyone to subscribe to our channels and like and share and comment isn't force feeding. So you should like and subscribe, by the way, just in case you haven't.
घर चलता है, please guys.
Right. No, so they basically say subscribe to my channel because if you don't, Indians forget. And 90% of the Indians still believe that YouTube subscription is a paid model. Like if you subscribe to a channel, you'll have to pay something, which is why they also say that subscribe, it's free. So tell me, what is the impact that you guys have seen on people? Like not just brand related impacts, but overall, like from your content, how is that changing people at a very grassroots level?
I personally feel that there are a lot of, you know, people who after seeing our content believe that हम भी ये कर सकते हैं. You know, we give them that hope. Because see, I'm a civil engineer. Okay? I used to travel trains. It's okay, don't be sorry. I used to travel and I had a normal life. And now where I am, I look back and it's like a dream. So personally, I feel that we give hope to a lot of people, to the common people, that yes, you can do this. And we have been an example of this, that you should, you know, use social media and, you know, influencing digitally other people. That is what I feel is more according to my. Other than that, we have made a lot of people laugh. We have been with.
And none of those people are in this room right now. This one's
Absolutely.
a very tough crowd.
Really,
Very
you just
tough
proved
crowd.
your point.
Just like,
No one.
No.
Still
We have.
waiting.
Yeah, we have.
there's
No.
one. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
God bless you.
Yes.
Yeah, tough audience.
Let's look at him and talk.
अच्छा पिट्टी वाले ही कर दो. वैसे मेहरबानी वाले एक हाथ बार कर दो, हमको ही लगेगा कि चलो ठीक है माइक चल रहा है. Oh, thank you.
कोई
Thank
और,
you.
someone please.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have people. We have 5 people here listening to us. Awesome.
ठीक है ना, वो कोई कैश प्राइज वाले क्वेश्चन है ना, अपने लोगों से पूछवा दे, 10-10 हजार लेके आधे में बांट देंगे. Notes ना.
Prajakta, how has your content impacted people?
I think given the fact that most of us, it's no longer just a question of how old we are, younger people, older people. Most of us are spending almost all our free time or otherwise also on our screens. Everyone's constantly surfing either YouTube or scrolling through. सब यही कहते हैं ना कि Instagram has become the new fridge, कि तुमने खाना खाना या नहीं खाना, तुम 1000 बार खोल के देखते रहते हो. So whether or not you want to consume content on Instagram, you're still going to go and keep scrolling, you know, which sort of gives us a big window to reach out to people. And young logo ke saath, one thing that we've learned on the channel for the past 4.5 years is कि a lot, given the reason that so many young people spend so much of their time on screens, they are away from real human-to-human relationships. You know, which is why I'm sure Ashish gets a lot of DMs. I get a lot of mails where people are pouring their hearts out to us saying कि प्राजक्ता, you know, I was going through a very bad day. I had a fight with my boyfriend. उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, फिर मैंने उसको वो बोला, और फिर मैंने तुम्हारा वीडियो देखा और मैं खुश हो गई.
Yes, a lot. We get
So
such
this
DMs
happens a lot, which is what they're confiding in us as creators. As for some reason, because they spend so much time on the screen, they find us more approachable than their family or their friends. I think that is a bitter, sweet, weird place where I think impact is happening the most.
But don't you think it's sensitive for you guys? How do you guys deal with this kind of a situation where people who've never met you are asking you for feedback about life and how to deal with life? How do you handle such situations sensitively? Because it could go wrong, right?
I absolutely love it when people ask me such questions. If they ask me something based on their life, and I like people who talk to me, who come to me. सब कुछ लोग आते हैं, फोटो खींच के चले जाते हैं. I like come and talk to me. That would be great. And they ask me, and I tell them, see, I've been through my life experiences. I tell them that you can also get, or you can pass through this. You just have to, you know, keep patience, and you just, you know, don't become a star in a night. That is what. So I personally love to talk to people and have conversations with them. What do you feel?
Yeah, for sure. In fact, पता है, that's the thing कि हमारे जितने भी conversations होते हैं channel पे, like he said, it comes from personal experiences. I'm sure every video that you've written, कहीं पे it is, जो engineering वाला video तो तूने अपनी पूरी वही कथा गा
वो
दी
तो
थी.
पूरी जिंदगी मैंने उसमें डाल दी 4 साल की.
तो जितने भी हम videos बनाते हैं, it always comes from some point of experience कि हमारे साथ हुआ था, this can be funny. And the beauty of it is all of us go through the same journeys. All of us have the same experiences in school, in college. At some place, we're always intersecting at incidences, which is why most times जब breakups की बात आती है, because mostly वो वाले males होते हैं कि breakup हो गया, या best friend से लड़ाई हो गई, या घर वालों से बन नहीं रही है, या you know all of those things जब होते हैं, तो कई बारी it also comes from, you know, मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. So more than giving advice, it is कि listen, it's a rite of passage, let it go.
But this is so true, right? कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमको एक situation जो हमारे साथ होती है, and we make a video out of it, and then we see the response to it that मेरे साथ ही हुआ है, मेरे साथ. I'm like, okay, मैं अकेला नहीं हुई है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने एक हॉरर की वीडियो बनाई थी जिसमें यू नो रात को भूत की पिक्चरें देखने के बाद डर लगता है. ओके, सो मेरे को ये नोशन था कि अगर मैंने बिस्तर के बाहर अपना पैर रखा तो बिस्तर के नीचे से एक हाथ आएगा और पैर पकड़ लेगा. तो आई जस्ट डिड दैट. मैंने वो फनी वीडियो बनाया, नीचे से कमेंट्स ही उसके बारे में थे कि भाई मेरे को भी ये लगता है, मेरे को भी लगता है, रात को ये लगता है. इनफैक्ट मेरे वीडियो के बाद शायद ये बढ़ गया था लोगों को डर.
Guys, we have 2 rooms outside. So if you guys have any life problems, Prajakta and Ashish are in one room. So you can go and meet them for 15 minutes. They're not charging much.
Especially life problems like, you know, reacting to people sitting on stage and, you know, laughing. Such I'm ready to give some advice.
So any such problems,
We
you can
can,
go and
yeah.
meet them.
We
So
can
great.
teach
So
you pity laughs,
pity laugh.
pity
Yeah,
claps.
we're doing some workshops outside. So now you both keep talking about creating content which is relatable, something that has happened to you, everything. What is the process? Because you create like 3 videos a week. You create like videos so often. What is the process? Where does it
Not
start?
me, sorry. याद करके आए थे क्या लाइन?
Okay.
देखो तो माफ है.
Often नहीं डालता हूँ
तेरी
मैं.
तबीयत खराब
तबीयत
थी,
खराब
देखो
है,
माफ.
बहाना देना. चलो.
So when you guys create content, what is the process? Where does it start? How does it go?
पहले तो मतलब ऐसे हम आइडिया डिसाइड करते क्योंकि ये टॉपिक है, हमें ये टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाना है, ठीक है. उसके बाद हम देखते कि ये टॉपिक किस किस ने बनाई है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइट नाउ. करेंटली देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिएटर्स. ऐसा 1-2 साल पहले नहीं होता था. यू चूज अ टॉपिक एंड लाइक ओके प्राजक्ता ने भी बनाया, ओके बीबी ने भी बनाया, अमित ने भी बनाया. वी वॉच ऑल द कंटेंट एंड वी डिसाइड ओके ये सारे पॉइंट्स हमारे स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं आने चाहिए और एल्स इट विल बी द सेम, वही हम दे रहे हैं. देन यू नो वी डिसाइड लाइक सीन्स दैट आर रिलेटेबल टू द पीपल. लाइक वी मेरा फ्रेंड बैठा फ्रॉम माई टीम कुणाल इज माई को स्क्रिप्ट राइटर and manager and light पकड़ने वाला and पानी लेके आना is everything. So single-handedly, he has done a lot of work with me. He's sitting here.
Also, you guys are not laughing at our jokes. You should listen to his.
Yes, you should.
They're horrible.
Horrible as hell. So, thanks, Kunal. So, what I was saying is कि you know we structure our script and then वो mood होता है ना एक. Project, I'm sure when you make a funny video, एक mood होता है that you when you're in the mood you execute it very well. और एल्स इट फील्स लाइक जबरदस्ती कर रहे हैं हम. वी नेवर गो इनटू दैट. जब तक फील नहीं आता ना हम शूट नहीं करते. वो हमारी गंदी आदत है. फील ऐसे अंदर से 6th सेंस बोलती है अब वीडियो बनानी चाहिए. वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड फिर जाके हम शूट करते एडिटिंग तो ठीक है, एडिटिंग तो आराम से चलती। मेन मेरे को म्यूजिक का बहुत गंदा कीड़ा है, पीछे बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक लगाने का ना। मैं सलीम सुलेमान या हैंस जिमर की तरह पागल हो जाता हूँ एकदम ऐसे म्यूजिक लगा लगा के। सो वो प्रोसेस जो है ना मेरा बहुत टाइम लेता है।
Prajakta, you don't have the liberty of feel.
Yeah, no.
I can say that because I'm with her when she's doing this.
It's very weird to have Sudeep ask me these questions because I'm so tempted to ask Sudeep, what should I say? क्या है सही जवाब?
No one's getting it. No one's
Guys,
getting-
come on, guys!
लंच के पहले रखना चाहिए था यार, सब खा भी गया है
लंच के
यार।
पहले या बाद में? बाद में?
अभी खा रहे थे ना सब, देखा
मैंने
नहीं?
देखा, हमको नहीं मिला।
नहीं।
Just letting you guys know, she was eating from my plate. She knows that there was lunch
Listen,
served.
Instagram पे proof है, मैं अपना डब्बा खा के आई हूँ गाड़ी में बैठ के. That's not the point.
What's your process?
I think it always starts with an idea. On some days, the idea floats on for weeks and then dies out. And on some days, हम studio की तरफ जा रहे होते हैं, एक script लेके और जाते रहते दिमाग में आता है कि सुदीप ये भी कर सकते हैं. And then suddenly we spend 30 more minutes at the studio and we write a completely new script and we shoot it. That's how Ashish and I
That's so
shot.
true. Oh, Prajakta, I have to tell them about us meeting ना। बहुत बार बोल चुके ना हमें।
Us meeting or us shooting?
Shooting, meeting and then deciding to shoot.
We met each other at Starbucks where
Starbucks.
आशीष को ऐसे लगा कि वो बड़े अच्छे से अपने आप को कैमोफ्लाज करके घूम रहा है भरे हुए मॉल में. He was wearing a cap and I looked at him. I said, Ashish? He said, yeah.
Oh shit.
And then we met and that was the first time we met as creators. I had always followed his work so much. And
That was the first time I met her and I had no idea she lived in Thane. I was like, thank God. कोई तो बॉम्बे या मुंबई या अंधेरी या लोकल वाला का नहीं है, कोई तो अपने एरिया का है. That was the feeling I had. You guys don't know ना थाने आने, it's 7 seas के आगे.
Hey, there is a place. There is a place called Thane.
place.
It's not fictitious. It's not the kingdom of far, far away.
it's not
there's a-
Narnia.
It exists.
There's a world outside, you know.
The
Bandra
toll naka.
also. People also are there living and existing, just in case you don't know.
And creating content.
They
So
take-
like
they-
and subscribe.
They take a lot of pride in telling people कि Central Line को popular कर रही है YouTube.
It is true. Anyone has any idea about Central Line? अरे क्या है ये सब फोर्ट कोलाबा वाले लग रहे हैं मेरे को. You have like Ulhasnagar, there's Kalyan. It's just alien names, right? For you guys. Dombeli, yeah, see there, Dombeli. You speak Dombeli anywhere. If you speak Dombeli on the moon, there'll be a guy. Dombeli, Dombeli. What's up? Dombeli people are everywhere. The word population was coined at Dombeli station. Do you know how Thanos was born in Dombeli? Do you know that?
Right. So yeah, how did you guys meet?
Oh yeah. So then
It almost feels like a story.
So yeah, so then we had a very chill conversation, and although it looks very strategic, but later I got this video idea, and because Ashish has always been this massive creator, I was like, Ashish, I have a video idea, and pata hai, so with usually when YouTube creators meet, it's always like, चल ना कुछ करते हैं ना यार, कुछ करते हैं ना,
always
सब
like
कुछ
that.
कर रहे हैं. हाँ, so
And the best part is, Prajakta had a script.
I
but
didn't have
it
a
was-
script. I
no,
had
no,
an
She
idea.
gave me an idea, and we just, मतलब एकदम we jumped in. I was a casting director in it.
yeah.
Okay. So मैंने जितने भी लीचड़ casting director देखे अपने जिंदगी में, मैंने सब वो लेके एकदम मतलब मैंने ऐसे लग रहा था हम दोनों ने स्क्रिप्ट करके उधर ही on
We
the
took
spot.
it scene by scene. और मेरे ख्याल से a lot of my videos, even though I have a bound script written, which is only for my editors because it's very difficult for my editors to understand otherwise. So the only reason I write a script is for editors. So usually हम हमेशा फैलते हैं कि हमेशा होता है. But I think the process is always, for me, it is so much easier to write when it comes from experience. So any idea that comes from something I've gone through, any idea that I've discussed with someone and felt differently about is easier to write. And then once you're written, I think you're good to go. मेरे ख्याल से आशीष की filming process बहुत अलग है.
बहुत यार.
But we film in about 2 to 3 hours and then we are done editing in another 2-3 hours. So in fact, we have a video going up tomorrow that we'll shoot for tonight.
I have hats off to her. Give a big round of applause for Prajakta. Week में 3 videos, right? 3 videos. Damn. मेरा साल में 3 videos आते हैं.
So, which, like the story just proves that it's, while there are creators, while they're all working towards the same goal, there is no jealousy or there is no competition which is unhealthy amongst the creators, at least that we've seen in Bombay here. Would you agree to that?
What was that in
No, I
Bombay?
mean, people that we know or they know. So would you
दिल्ली
agree?
में होता है क्या?
Would you agree to this though?
No comments.
No comments. Nice.
I would agree from my standpoint that I think all of us as creators understand the beauty of YouTube और हमको पता है जैसे like he said there are so many videos जो आशीष ने भी बनाए होंगे मैंने भी बनाए होंगे तो topic same है but if you see both of those videos will be very different from each other which is what the beauty of the platform is कि जब तक you don't make content your own and produce it differently or tell the story differently it's not going to work if I start making अगर मैं बिल्कुल आशीष जैसे videos बनाने लग जाऊँ तो it's a competition कि oh shit okay who's doing it better but both of us are in the comedy space and still there's no
Absolutely
Space,
not.
I think.
मतलब
So, yeah.
poles apart content है.
yeah
Okay, but you guys have come a long way, right? You guys have started somewhere, and today you guys are at a very different place that you were when you started off.
Absolutely.
But if you guys knew about where you are today, that you're going to get here back then, what would you do differently in your life or in your journey?
You know, एंड गेम में डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज बोलता है आयरन मैन को if I tell you what's going to happen, it's not going to happen.
Sure.
So I'll not tell myself.
Sure, but would you do anything differently if you knew you were going to get this popular, if you were going to be the biggest in the country?
I would become BBK Vines if I would travel back and tell.
Right.
I'll steal that idea. and
Right.
do much.
then that would be competition
that would be competition.
Right.
But BB would have not existed, nothing.
oh you're not going to annihilate him
No, I'm
He's
not
still going to
annihilating
come.
him, but that
I'm
I
going to
would
talk
do.
to you in superhero language
This is not live, right?
They basically don't even need a moderator. They can keep going on. I'm asking something else.
sorry what
Sorry, I'm a dream. Sorry. Fascinated by it.
Radhika, what would you have done differently if you would know about your success back then?
I think I would tell myself from 4.5 years ago to welcome lows a little better. Because now I've reached a place where I understand that the process is going to be a roller coaster. It's going to go down, and that's the only time it's going to go back up. But reaching till here, I remember having the worst breakdowns, having the worst thoughts, giving the team the worst nightmares every now and then. Think, khatam, I'm shutting my channel, can't do this, can't do this.
That's not nightmare, okay?
That's
Every
not
one
right,
of us
exactly. So I
go through
would
that.
give myself advice to accept and welcome the lows better. So I would actually even learn more from them.
My answer also same. My answer also same.
Okay, so you guys also do so much of work with brands. How is that more difficult or is it less difficult? What is that experience?
It depends what brand it is.
Like branded content was. Prajakta.
Sorry.
Is this a branded?
Do we have brands here?
Do we have?
Shh.
कुणाल कांटेक्ट बनाना पैसे के यार.
Kunal is going to go Ashish Rani Vines, Ashish Rani around the room.
Okay.
So how different is it? Creating content for brands versus just creating content that you really like?
घर चलता है, पैसे आते हैं. So it's very different, you know. मतलब from being poor. No, on a serious thought. So what is important is, you know, it's very difficult to sometimes convince a brand कि देखो ये वीडियो है, हम ये ब्रांड को ऐसे प्रमोट करेंगे. So वो होते हैं MBA बैकग्राउंड से, वो पढ़ के आते हैं कि ये 4 चीज़ें हैं और मैं उनको बोलता हूँ
उन्होंने देखा होता है कि ब्रांड सिर्फ ऐसे बिकेगा.
हाँ. अभी I cannot 2 characters are talking, ये है Bisleri. I cannot do that, right? So that's what it is sometimes difficult to make the brands understand. But you know, there are some brands that are so good. Like they're so understanding. God bless them. यार घर चल रहा है यार. I mean, God bless them. They give us vitamin M, man. So the thing is,
No one got that. He said vitamin M.
after you stressed it, na, M like A, B, चाहे money दे like that. So yeah, so brand का ऐसा ही रहता है. So we have to explain them that it has to, you know, go smoothly. There are some brands. There's a brand, okay. I've done so many videos with them. Now people have started making memes out of it. Out of me, that मैं उठता हूँ तो ये brand का नाम, and when I'll die, my last words will be that brand का title. So that brand that loves that, okay. And मैंने brand का ad किया नहीं, it's okay. वो meme की वजह से ना वो brand और मेरा नाम famous हो गया साथ में. So brand is very happy with that. So this understanding, you know, is there, and if it is there, we can make great content.
That gets me to a question where you are saying that people will remember you, and you're obviously joking with the brand name. But if you had to leave something behind as your legacy, what would that be for you? What's Prajakta's legacy or what's Ashish's legacy? 50 years from now, how do you guys remember it?
फिर भारी
I'm
क्वेश्चन
50. I'm pretty sure I'm going to still be making videos till I'm about
Exactly, you know.
300. That's going to go on forever. Um,
This suddenly feels
I
like a
think-
Group D question,
दैट इज अ वेरी डीप क्वेश्चन लाइक
out of syllabus.
जस्ट scaring me.
I think how to say this without sounding like
महान,
Yeah.
you know?
How to say this?
घमंड है प्रिय
कि मतलब
प्राजक्ता वी कांट डू दैट ना कैसे कैसे बोले ये सोच डिप्लोमेटिक
तो चुप बैठेगा तो मैं सोचूंगी ना
You guys are really bad at being humble though.
Ashish is. I have been doing a very good
How do you, okay, forget that. How do you guys handle criticism?
आई एम वेरी बैड एट दैट ए तेरे को देखना है, देख चुप जा ऐसे बोलता बट नो तेरे को देखना है देख पकड़ा मत ओके तेरे को मैंने नहीं बोला देखने को दैट्स हाउ यूज्ड टू हैंडल क्रिटिसिज्म नॉट नाउ आई लाइक ओके आई लाइक पीपल आर ऑनेस्ट एंड I'm like, no, on a serious thought, it is very important to keep people around who are very honest to you. Okay? Yeah, like Akriti mentioned, yeah. It's very important. क्योंकि वही आपको बताएंगे कि सच क्या है एंड हनी लगाने वाले बहुत है लेकिन कड़वी दवाई पिलाने वाले बहुत कम. So it is very important. क्या लाइन है ना?
क्या बात है?
जब से इसने
Right
क्वेश्चन
है,
पूछा
right
तब से आ गया मेरे दिमाग में से डीप थॉट्स.
Um,
Now they are laughing. Thank God. डोंबेली जोक के बाद हुए.
please crack more Dombivli jokes. Hindi se Dombivli?
But वापस नहीं.
Yeah, come.
Sorry. I think how to handle criticism. First of all, I am on days that I get criticism, I'm very grateful because then I know कि it's reaching out to an audience that does not follow me loyally, which is my parents and Sudeep and Gurpreet. It's reaching out to more than that. So first, I think welcome criticism, but also you need to know the difference between hate and criticism because there's a lot of that on the internet. Hate will be baseless and you'll always know. There's one example I've been giving for the past 4 years. I've not come up with a more efficient one. Like a comment like, Prajakta, that shirt sucks. Do not wear that shirt again is hate. But Prajakta, you know what? I don't think that shirt looks that great on you. The one you were wearing last week looked much better, is criticism. So you can always tell by the tone, by how baseless and how helpful it is. So please don't discard criticism as hate, which is a mistake I did, which for the longest time, when my channel had come to a standstill, I had comments saying, Prajakta, maza nahi aa raha hai video dekhne mein. Prajakta, try something new, monotonous ho raha hai. We are bored of watching the same things. And I was like, chal, hate hai, paka mat.
Control C, my answer also same. Control V.
Ashish, you shoot at home?
Home.
Around?
Ashish is one of those people who should we call your house a home or a palace?
What palace?
You
ऐसा
live
कुछ
in
भी
a
नहीं.
massive home. All of us live in these matchboxes.
Internal jokes again happening, guys. We are on a platform. So, you shoot at home?
Yeah, mostly it's only at home.
And it's your team that shoots
my
everything?
rooms are synonymous with people, you know.
Right.
Like, purple color is synonymous. Like that purple room is mine.
Right.
So my
So
room
you-
is the most garib room out of the
Right.
entire house.
Right.
You know.
So cameras are in-house, everything
Yeah,
in-house?
Everything in house. It's all.
And,
काम वाली बाई काम कर रही है उसको रुको बर्तन मत दो
right.
माइक में आवाज आ रही है so that happens
And वो घर पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी घर का यूज होता है?
हाँ I know and जब वो यूज होता है तब मैं बोलता हूँ बिजली वाला तेरा बाप भरेगा I like that
Yeah, so that is Takya Kalam of Mr. Chanslani.
yeah
And Prajakta has one where she starts her videos. You should just tell everyone what it is.
Nobody's going to be amused anyway. They're like, हमें lunch मिल गया है.
Yeah,
No,
they
so
agree.
it's basically, no, they didn't. It's basically an appeal to subscribe, which I don't think that gentleman who won the money before is going to be very happy about. But
the host is looking at us
Right.
I think
Are we done?
Sumer, wipe that smile off your face.
that
It's
is
scary.
what, that is what time's up means.
yeah
I didn't know. Sorry, guys.
I was like, he was right here. Why did he come here?
Do you guys have any questions? Right.
Excuse me. Prajakta, I have been seeing your videos since
Tell
long
me your
time.
name so I'll know you.
My name is Gerald Carvalho. I am with SEO firm Social Tangle. So Gerald.
Gerald. Okay, hi.
So I saw your video from last night also. It was about the web shows that everyone should start seeing. So I have very much influence from your previous videos also. The one where you read some parts of your diary, your own old diary that you read, that inspired a lot of young people over here. Over here also there are a lot of people who have been seeing your videos. And Ashish, I have.
So you have a question for me also?
Yeah. It's not a question. Though these are just well wishes for your better
Thank
health.
you.
That I know
Thank
that
you.
you are in a bad health right
Thank
now.
you, buddy. Thank you so much. So sweet of you.
Yeah, the question is that Prajakta shoots herself in multiple characters, and Ashish shoots with a team. Like he has many people in a video. So what I wanted to ask is it difficult to shoot in multiple characters yourself, or is it difficult to shoot with a team?
It's less of a difficulty, more of a मजबूरी कि हमारे पास पैसे हैं नहीं
नहीं,
एक्टर्स को लाने
actor
के
है नहीं।
और मेरी टीम में मैंने सुदीप को हर कुछ बना दिया जीपी
Yeah,
does not
yeah.
want to act so by default it's me who has to do everything but I have never really tried shooting with a big cast unless we do one massive YouTube collaboration video where all of us are together, something like that. But I think there's not ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये better है या वो better है. Both of us are doing content the way we find more comfortable and effective. So I think yeah.
What about?
But how
you,
I would,
Ashish?
but Ashish also does a lot of he plays his mom and his sister and his
I have
father.
seen he's playing his sister, his mom
Muskan
also.
is not going to be happy with your stubble.
That makeup wala thing na?
not going to be happy.
Okay, so no, basically I don't have a team. मेरे मामा का लड़का माइक पकड़ता है.
Yeah.
मेरा दोस्त कैमरा पकड़ता है. एक्टिंग मैं करता हूँ. So it's that same only. लात मार के दोस्त घर वालों को पकड़ के लेके आना. So I think it is a task, but it's fun, you know. There's a personal touch to it.
Yes.
Awesome. We have
Hi.
One last question because we are running out of time as well.
so too many hands. You choose.
Hi.
Oh, shit.
Hi, my name is Anjulika Rajan. I'm from Indian School of Media. Like you just spoke few minutes back about brands and how you'll work around with brands. So how do you all work exactly with brands when they don't like your idea? So how do you convince them and work around with
we
it?
change
They
the
don't. They
idea.
just make another idea.
So you'll have to obviously just follow what they want, right? Or just something
काफी
else that
बुरी
you'll
यादें
do.
आ गई दिमाग में.
There are, like he said, there are a few brands which are sent by God.
Exactly, like brands do
Which
support you all.
are wonderful to work with, which are open to new ideas, and which do better. Not only for the creator, I'll tell you what, one thing that sometimes a few brands don't understand is that when we put out a branded video, it's not the brand's name that is on the line, it is the channel's
obviously
name.
your
If the video doesn't work, the brand is not called a sellout, I am called a sellout. Which is why I feel like sometimes brands need to understand that we have more at stake than they do. But we also understand that digital marketing is fairly new to our country and we come from years and years and years of conditioning to create content for advertising a certain way, which is this. But I feel like brands are changing and जो नहीं change रहा भगवान उनको बुद्धि दे दे please.
If a brand tells you this is not, you have to take a stand for yourself. And that is उनकी बात मानना because पैसा आ रहा है. That's my answer.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.